hubby sliding. Oh, maybe I'll be the one sliding and I'm holding the camera. Wow. What is?
I'm making pictures.
That's a cool. Wow. Come and see. That would be a nice picture. Wow. I look so white.
You're so pretty.
I look so white. But look. 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 Here's the big old clip. There's another one here. So, hubby here
That's me.
don't want to go further. He has no risk.
It's dangerous and slippery in the snow. And
But
if you
look,
fall,
oh look there, there's somebody just sliding down.
if you fall, you stop 1,000 meters down there.
Look at the kid having a time of his life though.
Yeah, the last time of his life.
See? But even here, like this side, oh looky. They're just sliding on their jacket though.
Mm-hmm.
So, are we going back? Are we going back?
I can go still a little bit further.
Okay.
That is high.
Oh, yeah, hi.
So here's my crazy wife. She desperately wants to slide down the hill with her popo. Although I said she's gonna be wet, getting a cold and everything. But I'm just the husband, I have no say, so she does whatever she needs to do. Los, weiter! So you had fun?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Am I wet? My jacket's wet.
Yeah.